Welcome to Macnist. Today, let me show you our NC press brake. 160T3200mm. 4+1 axis. Easycat TP10S system. Adjustable pressure gauge. We offer multiple V press brake dies for flexible bending needs. Standard 1-0 upper punch. Multi-purpose die for flexible, high-efficiency bending. Precision redefined. Y1 and Y2 axis controlled by gear rack drive for ultra-stable performance. Routine simple maintenance. Drip a small amount of hydraulic oil onto the torsion bar. Apply industrial grease to the gear and rack for maintenance. Weekly tip. Lubricate the torsion bar with hydraulic oil. Keep your bends accurate. Hi, I'm Elora. Let's bend a 1.5mm sheet together. Safety is the #1 rule in production. Always stay alert. Let's measure 90 degrees, achieved with high precision. Up here on top of the press brake, you can see the hydraulic valve block. It connects to the left and right cylinders through these hoses, forming a closed-loop system for precise control. This upper and lower gear block also needs to be maintained with hydraulic oil. The Backgauge uses a ball screw and linear guide combination to ensure precise X-axis positioning and fast response. Here's the 4+1 axis Backgauge in action. This setup handles complex bends, multiple positions, and offset parts with ease. Fast positioning, accurate repeatability, perfect for efficient production. Our press brake is fully customizable. From the exterior design to every production detail, all tailored to fit your manufacturing needs. Welcome to Inquire, Macnist.